Hello children, how are you all today? I hope you all are good and fine. Children, today I am going to introduce you letter E. Yes, today I am going to introduce you letter E. But before we start that, let's revise all the previous letters. Will you revise with me? Yes, okay, let's start. A says apple. A says apple. B says ball. B says ball. C says cat. C says cat. D says dog. D says dog. Yes. So after D, what comes? Yes, letter E. Letter E. So today we are going to learn about letter E. Okay? So get ready. Tan tan tan. Children, which letter is this? Yes, this is letter E. This is letter E. Okay, this is Mama E and this is Baby E. This is Mama E and this is Baby E. Children, do you know? Letter E has two sounds. Letter E has two sounds. First is short one and second one is long sound. Okay, so let's see. Okay. E says eh. E says eh. E says eh. This is called short sound. E says e. E says e. This is called long sound. One is short and second one is long sound. Okay? E says eh. E says eh. E says eh. This is called short sound. Okay? Let's see another one. E says E. E says E. E says E. This is called long sound. Okay? This is called long sound. Let's see some pictures. Okay? First, short sound. E says eh. Elephant. E says eh. Elephant. E says eh. Elephant. E says eh. Envelope. E says eh. Envelope. E says eh. Envelope. E says eh. Egg. E says eh. Egg. E says eh. Egg. These are the pictures which starts from letter E with short sound. Okay. Next is E says E. Eyes. E says E. Eyes. E says E. Ears. E says E. Ears. E says E. Eyes. This is called long sound. Okay? This is called long sound. So children, letter E has two sounds. Letter E has two sounds. Let's revise one more time. Okay? E says eh. Elephant. E says eh. Elephant. E says eh. Envelope. E says eh. Envelope. E says eh. Egg. E says eh. Egg. E says E. Eyes. E says E. Eyes. E says E. Ears. E says E. Ears. So children, these are the pictures which starts from letter E. Okay? These are the pictures which starts from letter E. Okay? So you have to practice at your home. Okay? So now children, we will practice letter E. Will you practice with me? Yes? Okay, let's start. Children, first you have to make standing line, sleeping line, sleeping line, one more sleeping line. It makes letter E. Okay, let's revise one more time. Standing line, sleeping line. Sleeping line. One more sleeping line. It makes letter E. Yes. Standing line. Sleeping line. Sleeping line. One more sleeping line. It makes letter E. Let's revise one more time. Okay? Let's revise. Standing line. Sleeping line. Sleeping line. One more sleeping line. It makes letter E. Standing line. Sleeping line. Sleeping line. One more sleeping line. Standing line. Sleeping line. One more sleeping line. And one more sleeping line in the middle. Okay? It makes letter E. So children, which letter you have learned today? Yes, you have learned today letter E. You have learned today letter E. And the letter E has two sounds. Eh and E. Eh and E. Okay? And revise all the pictures which starts from letter E. That's enough for today. Okay? So till then, bye-bye. See you in next video.